If pests are eating up your summer garden this week, do not rush to the store and spend money on harsh chemicals. Today at Sunshine Gardens, I'm going to show you how to mix the #1 best organic pest spray right at home for practically half the cost. So I finally ordered this pure peppermint liquid Castile soap online, and it creates a secret double shield that kills bugs on contact. And it also repels them from coming back. But you have to be careful. Spraying at the wrong time will cause damage to your plant's leaves. So let's head to the porch and mix up this powerful recipe. Buying pre-made bug sprays at the garden center can be very expensive because you're mostly paying for water, which leads us to go back to the store and spend more money. That's why I bought this concentrated bottle of peppermint Castile soap online to save money, even though it costs a little bit more upfront. But the best part is that it's so strong we only need 2 tablespoons per gallon. One single bottle is going to make over 30 gallons of organic pest spray. Bringing our cost down to less than 50 cents a gallon, that's how we save. So I'm going to fill up this gallon milk jug and then add 2 tablespoons of soap. And for an extra boost, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of kitchen olive oil. This will help the soap stick to those pesky spider mites even longer. And then we're just going to shake it up real good and pour it into my little blue spray bottle. I couldn't find my larger spray bottle, but any bottle will work. Now, why use peppermint Castile soap? Well, first off, Castile soap has a pure vegetable oil base, making it 100% safe for our bare soil and gentle on our plants. And secondly, peppermint oil gives us a second shield. Because of the strong scent, it actively drives away all the pests. And never use grease stripping dish soap. This contains harsh chemicals that will strip the protective wax right off your plants. Now, we're back in the garden, but wait. Peppermint oil is highly concentrated. Here's a golden rule to desert pest control. Never ever spray your plants in the morning or during the heat of the day. Always apply soap spray in the evening after the sun goes down. This gives the liquid all night to dry safely before the daytime heat returns. It keeps our local pollinators safe while they're asleep. When you spray, don't just blast the top of your leaves, flip them over and target the underside. That is exactly where the spider mites and aphids hide out to suck the life out of your crops. Give them a good soak until it's dripping down. Using this budget peppermint shield is exactly how we're going to keep our plants protected. It's going to repel the bugs and leave your garden smelling amazing. Apply pest spray based on your plant's needs. For preventative care, use every 7 to 14 days. And for active infestation, spray every 3 to 7 days. Protecting your garden shouldn't break the bank or hurt the environment. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to use this organic pest spray and how it's doing in your garden. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for more desert gardening videos.